This is All India Radio Shillong. The Northeast News Bulletin read by Sandeepan Chakravarti. Meghalaya's East Khasi Hills District Magistrate Iew Mawlong informed that curfew has been relaxed in entire area of Police Bazar and Anjalee cinema area bordering Iew Mawlong in the state capital Shillong from 12 noon to 4 p.m. on Wednesday till further order. Earlier, the curfew was promulgated and its adjoining areas with effect from 9 p.m. last night to 6 a.m. today. The Subdivisional Magistrate Sora Civil Subdivision has relaxed the curfew in areas under Sora Police Station from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. today, and the curfew will be extended again from 6 p.m. on the same day until further orders. In Ichamati, curfew has been relaxed from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. today and will be extended from 11 a.m. on the same day until further orders. In all areas under Shara Police Station, Tilnap Outpost and Bolaganj Police Outpost, curfew has been relaxed with effect from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. today and will be extended again from 1 p.m. until further orders. The Subdivisional Magistrate has further informed that special escort will be provided to the students outside Mawlong village who are appearing the SSLC examination at Mawlong Centre. Japanese Ambassador to India Santoshi Suzuki has called on Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal in Guwahati and both pledged to enhance friendly ties between Japan and Assam. Appreciating Japan's friendly gesture towards continuing its collaboration and commitment to the development of Assam, the Chief Minister requested the Japanese envoy to look into the expeditious completion of JICA-assisted Guwahati Metropolitan Drinking Water Project. Suzuki informed that Chief Minister that he had visited the project site and the work was progressing satisfactorily, but his work would get in touch with the Japan International Cooperation Agency to complete the project on a fast-track basis. The Arunachal Pradesh Government is taking steps to uplift the Puroik community, a tribe that has traditionally been slaves, and bringing them at par with other communities of the state. Social Justice and Empowerment and Tribal Affairs Minister Alo Libang said. Responding to a short-duration discussion by JDU MLA Hayang Bangfi in the Assembly on the backwardness of the community, Libang admitted that Puroiks are being subjected to social and economic discrimination. He said awareness would be generated among people so that Puroiks are free from bonded labor. The minister informed that the state government had constituted the Puroik Welfare Board in 2017. He said the state government has imparted vocational training to 80 members of the community and jobs were given to 8 of them. Direct flights between Aizawl and Delhi will recommence from March 29th, more than a year after private airliner Jet Airways withdrew its operations. Principal Consultant for Civil Aviation Wing Commander J. Lalmingliana said Mumbai-based low-cost airliner Gaur Air will operate an Airbus 320 between Aizawl and Delhi on a daily basis from March 29. He also said the flight will depart Delhi at 10:50 a.m. and land at Aizawl's Lengpui Airport at 1:30 p.m. It will depart Aizawl at 2 p.m. and reach the Indira Gandhi International Airport in Delhi at 6:15 p.m. Assam Assembly Speaker Hitendra Nath Goswami said the right to express dissent is an integral part of democracy and it is protected by the constitution. However, the government is also duty-bound to maintain peace and protect lives and properties. Goswami said while rejecting 2 notices to discuss in the House the government's alleged high-handed approach in tackling anti-CAA protests. Goswami had on Monday reserved his decision on allowing 2 adjournment motions moved by the Congress and the AIUDF. The Speaker said the matter of Citizenship Amendment Act is pending before the Supreme Court, while some persons connected with the anti-CAA movement are in custody on specific charges and their cases are also sub judice. Following this, the 2 parties had staged a walkout. A total of 55 persons coming from China were kept under surveillance for 28 days and 2 were admitted in a hospital in the state since January 15 till date. The Assam Assembly was informed yesterday. Replying to a query by BJP MLA Numal Momin, Minister of State for Health and Family Welfare Piyush Hazarika said no person has been found infected with novel coronavirus in Assam till now. Out of the 55, 46 have completed 28 days of observation period and the remaining are in home quarantine for the incubation period, Hazarika said. He informed the House that 2 persons with mild symptoms were admitted at Guwahati Medical College and Hospital and kept in isolation wards, but their sample tested negative. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio Shillong. Have a nice day.